You wouldn't believe the heat hiding in plain sight at your local thrift store. First, scope out your local thrift stores. Big chains like Goodwill or Salvation Army are goldmines, but don't forget smaller, independently owned spots. The more, the merrier, so create a route for best efficiency. Head straight for the shoe section. Don't be intimidated by the chaos. You gotta get digging. Use a systematic approach. Scan each shoe carefully, paying attention to the brand labels. You are searching for those Jordan logos. Familiarize yourself with different Jordan models and logos. Knowing what to look for will save you tons of time. Look at the soles, inside of the tongue, and even the insole. Inspect the shoes for condition. Check for excessive wear, tears, or damage. A little dirt is fine, but major flaws can be deal breakers. You need to figure out if the fix is worthy for the price. Always check the price. Thrift store prices are usually unbeatable, but it's still important to make sure you're getting a good deal. Do a quick search online to see its value to confirm. Once you've scored your Jordans, give them a good cleaning. A little elbow grease can work wonders. Now, rock your retro heat with pride and tell everyone where you found them.